Hello, welcome. Episode 15, still on statistics. We have this question. The mean of 7 numbers is 15. When 3 numbers are added, the mean of the 10 numbers become 12. We have to find the mean of the 3 numbers that were added. So we have to bear in mind that to find the mean is given by the sigma x over what? N, which in the word form we can say the sum of the entries divided by the total entries. So if the sum divided by total equals to the mean, it means that I can make the sum the subject, whereby the sum will multiply. So that will imply that the summation of n will be equals to, is it n, of x will be equals to the mean times what? The number of entries. Is that okay? So I can say that if the mean of 7, let me use symbol, 7 numbers is 15, then that implies that sum of the 7 numbers will be equals to, look at it, the sum will be equals to the mean times what? The number of them. So the mean is what? 15 times the number, which is what? 7. And I believe this will be 70, 105. So 105. Then we can also say that when 3 numbers are added, the numbers become, how many are they? It was 7 plus 3, so that become what? 10. So now become 10. And the mean is given as what? 12. So that means that sum of the 10 numbers the sum of the 10 numbers will be equals to the mean times what? The number. And the mean is what? 12. The number is what? 10. Giving rise to what? 120. So you can see that before the mean, the 3 numbers were added. The sum of all the numbers that were there. Just like we are picking money. If a money is in the box and we added some amount to it, we know the amount that was in the box. That's 105. Then if we put in some money and we open the box and we realize that the money is what? 120. We just have to know the amount of money that was added. If you call 3 people, just like church, people are contributing offertory. We cannot tell how much they are putting in. But if we know how much was in the box before their money went in, we can tell the amount. The increment will show that the number, the amount that they are adding is going to be what? I think 15, 25 or so, but let's go. So let's see. Therefore, the sum of what? The 3 numbers is going to be 120 minus what? 105. So 100 from here will be like 20. 20 minus 5 will be 15. So that implies that mean of the 3 numbers will be equals to the summation of the numbers. What is the sum of the 3 numbers? 15 divided by the number of entries. How many numbers were added? That is going to be what? 3. And that will give us what? 5. It means that the mean, the average of those 3 numbers, it could be 5, 5, 5 that they are added, or 4, 6, 5, any aspect. But when we find the mean, the average of all of them, it will be what? 5. Just understanding the concept of what? The average. The sum of entries divided by what? Number of entries is the mean or the average. I guess concept is clear on the central tendency. Like the video, share with somebody, come back to this page for the continuation. But don't forget to subscribe if you are new to the channel.